Today, we're diving into the world of natural anti-aging skincare, where nature's treasures meet cutting-edge beauty practices. From lush natural oils to ancient beauty tools and breakthrough treatments, discover how you can turn back the clock naturally and reveal radiant, youthful skin. One of the primary benefits of natural anti-aging skincare is its emphasis on hydration. Natural oils such as jojoba, argan, coconut, and castor oil are excellent moisturizers that can penetrate deeply into the skin to provide lasting hydration. Hydrated skin not only looks more plump and vibrant, but it is also better equipped to repair itself and maintain elasticity, which is crucial for reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing and moisturizing capabilities, while rosehip oil is prized for its high concentration of vitamin A, which promotes skin regeneration and can improve skin tone and texture. Antioxidants play a crucial role in natural anti-aging skincare. Ingredients like green tea, vitamin C, and vitamin E are powerful antioxidants that protect the skin from the damaging effects of free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can accelerate the aging process by breaking down the skin's collagen and causing inflammation. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, antioxidants help preserve the skin's youthful structure and prevent premature aging. Microneedling is an effective anti-aging treatment that promotes skin rejuvenation by stimulating collagen production. This process helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, improves skin elasticity, and enhances the overall texture of the skin. Additionally, microneedling can enhance the absorption of skincare products, making them more effective. Using a microneedling stamp or pen is preferable to a roller, as these tools offer more precise control and reduce the risk of skin damage, such as dragging or tearing the skin. This can be especially important in delicate or hard-to-reach areas, providing a safer and potentially more effective treatment. These tools also offer adjustable depths for customized treatment, leading to more effective and safer results. Gua sha stones and rollers, traditional Chinese tools used for thousands of years, promote skin health and overall wellness. Made from smoothed jade or quartz, these tools are used to perform a scraping technique that improves blood circulation, enhances lymphatic drainage, and reduces puffiness. Regular use can lead to firmer, more lifted skin, reduced wrinkles, and a brighter complexion. Red light therapy, another beneficial treatment, uses low-level wavelengths of light to penetrate deep into the skin layers. This therapy can help reduce inflammation, support skin rejuvenation, and enhance the healing processes. Red light therapy is known for its ability to improve skin complexion and reduce the appearance of fine lines by boosting collagen production and increasing circulation. Essential oils are also highly beneficial in an anti-aging skincare routine, offering natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help rejuvenate and protect the skin. Essential oils such as lavender, frankincense, and sandalwood not only provide a calming sensory experience but also offer various skin benefits. Lavender oil, for instance, has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce redness and puffiness, while frankincense oil is known for its ability to strengthen skin and improve its elasticity. Remember, always use essential oils with a carrier oil. Do not apply them directly to the skin. And there you have it, your secret to staying forever young. Dive into the world of anti-aging skincare and keep your skin glowing and youthful. These tools help ensure that your skin receives a comprehensive approach to aging, tackling it from multiple angles to maximize results. Remember, the best skincare routine is the one that lets your inner beauty shine through. Until next time, keep pampering that beautiful skin of yours and bask in your timeless glow.